I made it myself. What's up, guys? Frida here, Frida Dawson, Free Dawson, and you know, today has been a good day so far. I woke up, went on a run, got some groceries, had therapy. We talked about some good stuff, figured my life out a little bit, hung out with my kitten. I just made some beautiful plantains, and yeah, it's been a great day. Today we are going to upcycle, DIY some clothes that you might have laying around your house that you're thinking about getting rid of. I'm going to show you how to keep them, make them new, make them fresh, make them clean. Let's make fashion. Fashion.
All I do is adore you all of the time. I'd like to I'd like to I'd like to love you every day.
So I've been working on this for way too long. Literally way too long. So for this bottom part, I did a little hem, and it's stretchy because I literally put a rubber band in. I wish I had elastic, but I literally put a rubber band in. So I think I could finalize this a little bit more. Maybe if I have a zipper and maybe another button. I'm not sure. I like what's in that. I honestly kind of love it together. I didn't mean to make it into a piece, but I like it. Okay. Boom, baby. All right, so for this first one, you're gonna buy an extra large button-up t-shirt or use one of your family members or an old shirt. You're gonna cut the bottom off of it and the sleeves off of it. I took the buttons from the lower half of the shirt, cut off 2 little sections of it, and sewed it to each of the sides of the shirt. So I like to make sure that I don't waste any scraps. So I took the sleeves and tried them as something, and it looked awful. But I took the bottom half of the shirt and ended up making a shirt that I liked. I mean, look at this cutie top. I love it. Oh, this outfit? Is that what you mean? Okay, so basically, I took these pants and I cut the leg off. This cute little outfit. So once I cut the leg off, I noticed that it looked pretty similar to the size of like my bandos, and I was like, let me try that on. Guys, I didn't even mean to do this. I just wanted some cool shorts. This one was the easiest.
What?
I'm vlogging.
Oh. Vlogging about your outfit?
No, what do you mean? Oh, hey there. What's that? You like my shirt? Oh, thanks. I made it myself. Suck on that. Let's call this Scrunch Tank. I'm gonna teach you how to make Scrunch Tank today. I'm gonna show you with my own 2 hands. All you need is a tank top and a sewing kit. Anything will do. Maybe a sewing machine if you're like that cool, but I'm not that cool. I just have a sewing kit because I'm a dancer and I used to sew my point shoes, so.
Darling, you send me
Okay, so work with me. You're gonna crop the bottom of the shirt. Take a little piece of the bottom of the shirt that you cropped and sew it to the top by sewing just a straight line down the right side, a straight line down the left side, and a straight line down the center. Next, take the bottom hem of the shirt and figure out a way to string it through up the left side and through the right side of the shirt. Get creative here. I used a straw. I strung it through the straw and tied it off at the end so that it wouldn't fall out as I was stringing it up and through my shirt. Next, I'm doing a makeshift hem. It's not super professional, but it makes it look a little bit cleaner. And voila, you just pull the strings until it scrunches up and you got a cute little top. Hot boiling water. Be careful around your cat. We have about a 1/4 cup of coffee. I'm winging it. Let's see how it goes. Dump that in. Pretty strong. Just some whipped coffee action. Whoa! Aren't you supposed to like rinse the fabric with water? Now alright, put some coffee substance in here.
I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you.
And last but not least, I love wearing those pants with bigger shirts. This is dope. Look at this. I love these, you guys. I'm really pumped. So after one wash, these faded quite a bit, but I still like them light. I just might go over them with another layer. This is the tank top. I kind of like how it just looks, it kind of just looks dirty. What do you guys think? Should I redo it? I think I'm gonna do another layer. Okay, I figured out something to do with this. What you're gonna do, straps are big, just a normal tank top, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this, put it through there. You're gonna take this, you might be able to do something like that. Maybe, take this, put it through there. Boom. Pull your necklace through. So, kind of looks like that. I like to like crop my shirt by folding it under, and then I like that. Like I might wear my tank top like this. I'm impressed. I'll show you guys these pants with the big shirt in a second. Here's a shirt that we did. I don't know. I think that we should do another coat. Anyways, I'm gonna wear this for sure with these pants. He cares. Anyways, I love this. Like, I'd wear this every day of my life. And that's how Frida sees it. Oh, I just tried to turn. That's it for my thrift flip today. A little DIY action for ya. It took me forever. But it was really fun actually. Should I go into fashion? Guys. Seb, quit trying to take off my clothes, baby. That's what they all do. I like this YouTube thing. I'm so indecisive, you can cuff me, but I'm wifey. Just kidding, I'm not wifey, you can cuff me. I don't know how to not be a perfectionist while I'm editing, so. Also, I had a job this weekend, so I was working all weekend. Hope you liked it. I'm gonna sleep for 3 days. Like and subscribe and comment below.